A lot of times people ask us in a wrongful death case, how do juries go about deciding what a life is worth? Under Texas law, a case we handled, we got a $44 million verdict in that case, and that's what the jury decided was the value of this life. And the different components that the jury can look at and did in this case is lost wages. How much money was the worker earning before they died? Loss of inheritance. How much money was the worker over his lifespan going to earn and then give to his surviving family members via an inheritance? There's something called loss of companionship in society. There's something called mental anguish. That's the grief, the loss, the sorrow from not having your father figure, your son, or your spouse with you anymore. And so these are the different things the juries can consider, and the jury considered it in this particular case and decided for this man's death and for how this incident occurred. In addition to the things I mentioned, there's pain and suffering before a person's death that the jury can consider, and they did in this case because a pipe fell on this man, unfortunately, and crushed him, and he was alive for some period of time before he passed away. And so the jury was able to consider that as an element as well. So that's how, when you know how juries decide on the value of a life, we take that in all of our cases and for all of our clients. And when we're negotiating these cases, we know how they do it, and we know the kind of numbers that they give because we've been there and we've done that. We've gone to trial, we've faced juries throughout this entire process and see how they do it. And so when we negotiate on behalf of our clients, we tell the other side, the insurance companies and the Exxons, we say, we've already been down this road. This is what's probably going to happen in this case. And it's very beneficial that we're able to say, hey, we've been there, we've done that. It gives a lot of credence to what we're saying on behalf of our clients in all of these types of cases. Knowing how to place a value on the loss of a human life in a lawsuit setting is a very complicated process. You want a law firm on your side who's done it before and who has done it in trial and knows how it's done, so they can help you in your case.